Hey guys, just got a delivery from my buddy Pendleton over at Adventure Life USA. So let's get this cracked open and see what we've got. Oh, I see some Black Topo lines. Oh nice! These are their new door skins. Looks like he sent me a full set, front and rear, in the Black Topo with the red outline to match the rest of my Jeep. They even included an installation tool. Alright, so let's get these installed. First, clean down the surface area of your doors. Then, after mocking up how these are going to fit, peel back the label and start lining it up. With the top piece fit, peel and stick the bottom portion of the door skin. Nice! And our first door is set up and looking great. Now to repeat the process in the back. Again, mock up your decal, then peel, stick, and remove any bubbles. Now match up that bottom piece and you're all set. These are made from high quality 3M material, so you can stick and replace them pretty easily without tearing anything up. Loving that look. On to the driver's side. You know the drill. Peel, stick, and remove any air gaps. Then match up the bottom piece of the door skin. Looking great! Now onto our last door. As you fit the door skins in place, just take your time and remember that a little bit of heat will fix pretty much any issue. So once I get this last piece set up, we're going to come back through with a heat gun to get these sealed on. Wow, these really do look great. Okay, time for the heat. And that's it. We're all set and looking stylish. Grab yours at the link below and make sure to like and subscribe.